Hi everybody. Today I just wanted to do a quick video and to show you a really great tool that you can use to check if where you're flying your drone is okay with the FAA. And this actually comes straight from the FAA. And as you can see, there's areas with red. Those are no-go zones. You're absolutely not allowed to fly there. Here, let me zoom into one of these. They're usually army bases or navy bases, or anything that's military. And other places they have this type of grid, and if you zoom in, you will notice that it has numbers there. So 0 is a 0, no fly zone. You cannot fly there at all. 100 means that you can stay below 100 feet. And if you click on it, it actually tells you the unit, which is nice. And that's about it. And you can put in your address here and get that information. Great tool. It's very nice that the FAA is putting it out there, and that's basically it. I'm gonna put in a link in the description and the pinned comment so you can check it out yourself. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, complaints, put it in the comment box. Hopefully this helped you. Catch you in the next video.